how to apply a work visa to work in Estonia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for a country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, purpose, duration, or even based on other visas you may have, you may or may not need the visa. And when you check these requirements or process, you should always check based on the official entity that governs your region. Because based on your region, there could be additional documents, additional steps, additional fees involved. For example, if you are living in New Delhi, India, so in front of you, I have opened Embassy of Estonia New Delhi site. Here, if you go to consular and visa information, they have information for long stay visa. Okay, so I'm just going for general information. Okay, so this long stay visa, you cannot apply on DFS. This has to be applied at the embassy. Again, it varies based on the location. Okay, so let's go for documents required. So the steps in short are like first your employer needs to do the registration for you who is offering you a job. Okay, and on this D visa you can stay up to 365 days. And of course, if things go well, you can file an extension while you are in Estonia. Okay, and how you are going to apply, like I will show you some more information about that. Uh, in simple, like you need to apply online. Okay, you need to fill the form online. And after the form filling is done, you are going to get the PDF copy in your email, and also you can print it up right away. So you have to do that, print, sign, get the documents, fee and everything, and book an online appointment. They have given the link. You need to go there and then you can apply. Okay. Now you can apply. All right. And then the same thing. But now before we go further, there's a link for working in Estonia. And if you open that, it reaches here. And if you click here, a Word file will open. I'm going to show you that. So this is the file where they have given all the information. Like the very first thing is in like how to find an employer and registration, because nowadays there are so many fake job employment offers too. So you need to check that whoever is offering you a job is actually registered and other things are there. Okay. Now you can read all this. I don't need to repeat, but yeah, you need to have the job contract, like general requirements are there. Okay. Now, long-term visa, you can apply at embassy that we are going to see. Okay. And like once you go out there, you can apply for work permit with long employment work visa type D. You can go there for up to 365 days. Okay, it's given. Right. So you can check all this and all the salary requirements and other things they have given. Now we'll go back to the site and try to fill up the application form or after we are through the document checklist. Now document required, of course, the online, the application form. Okay, along with that, passport, fee, application form we already know, photograph, specification given, insurance, minimum amount for entire duration of stay. Document indicating the purpose of journey. So this is going to vary if you're going for work. Okay. Yeah, see confirmation from employer. Okay. Confirmation from employer, registration of short-term employment. So this we saw in the document file just before. So that you need. Financial resources. Okay. Of course. And of course, you can be asked additional documents if they want to. Okay. And they will take biometrics too. Okay. All right, so we are done clear with it. Now just see this online appointment, and then at the end we'll go for um, online application for D. All right, so this is for appointment for consul. You need to select your embassy. You have to be patient. So here, okay, to the next page. Oh, I do anything wrong? Not sure. Let me see. Try once more. Okay, fine. All right, so I cannot proceed further because I don't have pre-filled visa application number and all, but you got an idea that you can come here, put your details. In the next slot, it will ask you to pick day, time, and from there you will get the confirmation. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Let me know how it looks to you. Now I'm gonna go back to the visa application form. Okay, let's go. So see for D visa, this is the column, and they have given this in 3 languages. So let's see, but don't worry, it's in English too. Okay, you need to put your email address and this code, and you can go to the next page. So I'm just putting some sample. Of course, I will not be submitting this application. Oh, probably they are checking the domain. Okay, okay, I'll see you soon. I was able to bypass that page. Now you need to enter. Now all the information you see here is sample. Okay, you need to do as per your case. So for every question, if you have any doubt, you can click on this link and it gives you, for example, this former names. Some of you may not realize what it is, but it's the family name at birth. Okay, and other former family names. Okay, date of birth as per your case. That's not my date of birth. Don't worry about that. You know your country of birth and your city of birth, so I don't have to tell. Just sample, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. That's okay. Nationality. Do it as per your case, guys. Other citizenship, gender, relationship status, ordinary passport. Just sample, guys. Like any detail you enter this in this form, verify it 2 times, not once, 2 times. Because I have seen people doing very minor mistakes and then they struggle like forever. Never do that, okay, guys? Never do that. Always be careful. If you are just slightly attentive, it will be okay. Are you a family member of EU, E or CH citizen? I select no. Profession. This is very simple. I mean, you need to do as per your case. I just put sample. Number of days. So you're going for long-term visa, so I select when you're gonna travel. Purpose, this is also important. So I'll select this one for the video because we're making work vita. Place of stay. say hotel, name of the hotel. I mean, you need to do as per your case. I'll just put, I just put um, search, street, email address, sample guys. How you're gonna, who's gonna pay? By the sponsor. Okay. Again, like as per you, what are the things you have? Support, cash, credit card, accommodation, salary, transport, accommodation, whatever is applicable, health insurance, valid until, remember the requirement, it should be valid during your stay. Say, a sample guys. During the last 5 years, okay, issued by another European country during the past 5 years. No, okay, sorry. No visa issues. I select yes. If you select no, means that it has been issued, so you need to provide detail. To do as per your case, fingerprinted previously, I selected no. Applicant home address. So you can put a phone number, email, other things, and final will be confirmation. From there, you can submit, and email will be sent that you have to download, print, and sign. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. And then you can, I've already shown you how you can book the appointment. When all things go well, then you are good to travel. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.